Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I request you to subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create more content like this. So today we are going to learn the VLOOKUP formula. The VLOOKUP in Excel is a tool for looking up a piece of information in a table or data set and extracting some corresponding data or information. Let's learn how to do this step by step. The VLOOKUP function uses the following arguments. 1. The lookup value. It specifies the value that we want to look up in the first column of a table. 2. Table array. The table array is the data array that is to be searched. The VLOOKUP function searches in the leftmost column of this array. 3. Call index num. This is an integer, specifying the column number of the supplied table array that you want to return a value from. 4. Range lookup. This defines what this function should return in the event that it does not find an exact match to the lookup value. The argument can be set to true or false, which means true, approximate match, that is, if an exact match is not found, use the closest match below the lookup value. False, exact match, that is, if an exact match not found, then it will return an error. Step 1. Organize the data. The first step to effectively using the VLOOKUP function is to make sure your data is well organized and suitable for using the function. VLOOKUP works in a left to right order, so you need to ensure that the information you want to look up is to the left of the corresponding data you want to extract. Cool. Now that we know the arguments and the importance of organizing the data, let's type the formula. Step 2. In this step, we tell Excel what to look for. We start by typing the formula equals VLOOKUP, and then select the cell that contains the information we want to look up. In this case, it's the cell that contains name of cities. Step 3. We select the table where the data is located, and tell Excel to search in the leftmost column for the information we selected in the previous step. For example, in this case, we highlight the whole table from column C to column A. Excel will look for the information we told it to look up in column C. Step 4. In this step, we need to tell Excel which column contains the data that we want to have as an output from the VLOOKUP. To do this, Excel needs a number that corresponds to the column number in the table. In our example, the output data is located in the third column of the table, so we enter the number 3 in the formula. Step 5. This final step is to tell Excel if you're looking for an exact or approximate match by entering true or false in the formula. In our VLOOKUP example, we want an exact match, so we type false or 0 in the formula. If we instead used true or 1 as a parameter, we would get an approximate match. Bingo! And it's done. We learned one of the most important tool of Excel. That's all in this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.